Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see a two-dish meal made in our Magicpot, Solara Magicpot. I told you earlier how we can make two dishes at one go. And today we are going to make a Chole Masala and we are going to cook brown rice also along with it. First we'll get ready with the masala for the chole. Here I have soaked 1 cup of Kabuli Channa or white chickpeas overnight and kept it ready. And here I have taken 1 cup of brown rice. Now here 3 medium tomatoes, 1 large onion, 5 or 6 cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger which I grated and 1 green chilli. First I like to make a paste of this. So this ginger and garlic we'll add to the blender jar and make it a paste. Those who want to omit garlic can omit garlic and only make a paste of the ginger. Now these onions also I'd like to make it a paste. Just crush it without adding any water. Next we'll crush these tomatoes also into a paste. Now we switch on the Magicpot and keep it in the saute mode and press start. You can see it is on now. Now add a tablespoon of oil and half a tablespoon of ghee to it. Now add a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, a piece of bay leaf, a little bit of cinnamon, 2 cloves and 2 cardamoms. Next add in this 1 green chilli which I have slit and the ginger garlic paste. Next add in this onion paste and stir fry the onions also. Now after about 2 minutes, add this tomato paste and cook all these also together for a little while. The oil is separating out. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. Add some salt. 1 teaspoon of Daniya Powder and mix everything well together again so that all the spices are well blended. I am using this Chole Masala. Add about 2 heaped teaspoons and again mix everything well. Drained out the water from the soaked chana and now add the chana to that. Next add in water. I soaked 1 cup of chana. I am adding 2 cups of water to this. If you are making only chole masala, then you can cover it and cook. But now today we are also going to make a brown rice. So you put in this steamer stand inside it and choose any pot which will go into it like this. So I have taken 1 cup of this is single polished rice. It's not a branded one. I got it at my local grocery store. Full of fiber, very good for health. Especially for diabetics or for people who want to lose weight and yet eat rice. So this is single polished brown rice. I have washed it. Place it on this stand. And for 1 cup of rice, I am using 3 cups of water. Cover this with a plate. Now place it into the locking position and keep it in the sealing position. Now we will use the manual mode for 35 minutes. So first press stop and then use the manual mode 35 minutes and start. See, it has completed the cooking now and it has come down to keep warm. So you can keep it like this and then open it. Now we have to wait for this pressure to be released naturally. So I am going to make it to stop. I switched it off. Then we'll wait for the pressure to release naturally. See, the pressure has released naturally. That's why we are able to open it. See, the rice is perfectly cooked. We'll remove the rice. Now, carefully remove this stand also. See the consistency, it is fine. If you want it slightly thick, just take about 1 or 2 tablespoons of this cooked chana. Mash it with a potato masher like this. The chana is very well cooked. See, so soft. Add this mashed chana back into this. Mix it all well together. So again, I'll keep it on saute mode. Start. Just allow it all to come together. This is Amchur or dry mango powder. I am adding 1 teaspoon. If you don't have this, you can even add lemon juice. So this is to give it the typical sourness. Now we'll just allow it to come to a boil. See, it is boiling well now. This is some Kasuri methi, that is dried fenugreek leaves. Just crush them in your palms and add it to it. You will get a wonderful flavor. Finally, add in some fresh coriander leaves and your chole masala is done and ready. You can switch it off now. I switched it off. Now we will take out our chole masala in our serving bowl. Now we can serve out our brown rice. Perfectly cooked brown rice, or as they call it as single polished rice. I did not soak the rice or anything. I just washed it and pressure cooked it. So while I was waiting for the pressure to die down, I also just dry roasted some pepper, and we can serve out our chole to go with this rice. Wasn't that easy? A delicious meal made at one go, which you can easily have for lunch. Some brown rice and chole, and of course pepper. This rice I have added 3 cups of water because we like the rice a bit soft. If you want it a little more grainy in texture, then you just add about 2.5 cups of. Do prepare this, enjoy it and share it with your family and friends. I'll give you the link to the Solera Magicpot in the description box, and you can use the coupon code GEETA to avail a discount. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with some more interesting videos from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.